End of near enough end of practice week, mate. We were supposed to be doing video diaries earlier, but I've only just got here, so that's my fault.
Where have you been?
Just having
You don't have to tell me. It's all right. It's end of practice for us. Tonight was the end of practice for the 500 Classic race. So got another little issue. Don't know yet, but bike stopped on track, which is a bit frustrating. It stopped. One of the other bikes stopped yesterday on track as well. So just trying to get to the bottom of the few problems. It's been going good. When it's going good, it's been fantastic, and been mega enjoying my Manx Grand Prix. Love riding the Paton. I hadn't ridden it since 2019. I was excited to get here to ride it, and just loved every minute of being under the screen, bombing around this place on it. But fingers crossed we can get to the bottom of the problems and get ready for the race on Saturday.
And how long does it take you to adjust? Because the last lap you did round here would have been seeing you with 230 horsepower.
Yeah, it does take a little bit. It's funny, it's sort of ingrained inside you somewhere. Riding these bikes since I can't remember when it started. When was it? 12 or 13?
13.
Yeah, I jumped on it. I loved it. We're fastest in practice, and we had a couple of little issues the first couple of years, and won it 3 years on the bounce, and then. Yeah, so I don't know. It's a hell of a lot easier to ride a superbike. The only thing is with them is you just got to be millimetre perfect everywhere. Just keep the wheels turning, keep the momentum up. They haven't got the power to sort of pull you out of any mistakes. You've got to have everything millimetre perfect, which actually gets the better out of you as a rider. So, but really small. The old screws in my hip and screws in my leg, and the old midlife belly's just in the way a little bit at the minute, but yeah, I've loved every minute of it going, but I've had a few little issues, and quite frustrating. And Roger Winfield and the team have been working the brains in, and they're really old as well, so and deaf, apart from Lee, but so they're doing a bit of moaning and groaning. I get a rocket up the backside and keep them going, and looking forward to the rest. The race is next for me on Saturday.
On Saturday, cool, mate. Well, hopefully we can get something sorted. Hopefully we can see you out on Saturday, and we'll speak to you then.
Cheers, guys.